Hello guys, today we prepare my mother-in-law's goulash. It's not the original recipe, but it's the recipe from my mother-in-law. Very good. Usually she uses beef and a lot of onion, no potato, no carrots, and they eat with polenta, is another Italian dish. But because I am in Thailand, I will eat with rice and I will use the pork. You can use the pork, the beef, the chicken, the fish. Only the difference is that for the pork and the beef you should cook at least 1 hour. For the chicken and the fish 30 minutes will be enough. So for this recipe I will use 650 gram of pork meat, 250 gram of belly pork, 20 gram or 2 slices of smoked bacon, 250 gram of onion, 250 gram of potato, 200 gram of carrots, half glass of wine, 1 tablespoon of flour, 1.5 tablespoon of sweet paprika, and half liter of broth that I put already on the stove. Now, first of all, we clean the onion. We cut it very small. We put in the pot with the oil. We fry the onion. We add the carrots. The bacon. And after we add the meat. When the meat changes the color, we can add the wine. And now we can add the sweet paprika with the flour, but to avoid small pieces inside, we will melt very well with a little bit of water. After that we add the sweet paprika, we can add the broth. We cover and we cook for 1 hour. During this time we can clean and cut small pieces the potato, and after 1 hour we check the meat. If the meat is soft, we add the potato, and when the potato is cooked, our goulash is ready. Spectacular! With the recipe of my mother-in-law, you always make a good dish. So thank you, Luciana, for your recipe. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch all the other videos, to share this video with your friends. For any question, any suggestion, down in the comments. Bye bye!